What's up, guys? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to another YouTube video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, in this particular video, we will be looking at exercise 7 or lecture 7 of our Python exercise tutorial series. Without any further ado, let's get straight into it. One thing I should mention to you guys is in this particular exercise, there's not much explanation that will be done because it's basically a simple exercise that deals with calculating the sum of the first n numbers. Okay, and you'll see that given to us as well in the exercise prompt, in the little paragraph of text that I'll type shortly, a formula is given to us to actually calculate this equation. Okay, let's begin. Okay, and there we have it. Exercise 7. Develop a Python program that will be able to read in a positive integer from the user n, and then display the sum of all integers from 1 to n. The sum of the first n positive integers can be computed using the formula sum is equals to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, let's code this program. Nothing too difficult. I'm sure you also realize that it is a very simple program because of the fact that a formula was given to us. So we'll do a prompt to represent the positive integer from the user. That's basically displaying or representing, sorry, it's representing n. So we'll do maybe n is equals to, let's do a lowercase, is equals to int input. We'll ask the user, please enter a value for n. Afterwards, we'll call it sum. Notice we cannot call our variable sum. This is because there's already an inbuilt function in Python, which is basically a keyword that already occupies that name, sum. So guys, we have to call our variable anything besides sum. So you can do a sum with an underscore, okay? Makes it convenient since we don't have to type or think of another longer variable name. So sum with an underscore will work, but don't get confused. So you can call this sum numbers if you want, or sum of numbers, and so on. So we'll do sum is equals to, we'll open a bracket, because notice it's very important to pay attention to the order in which the equation will actually execute. So we'll do n, that's the first one, then we'll say plus 1. This is n plus 1, that's the innermost bracket. The outside bracket will be n multiplied by that. So essentially we can enclose this in another bracket and then we can divide by 2. Okay, that looks right. Indeed, it does. N plus 1, n multiplied by that, and all of it divided by 2. That should be good. And finally, we'll do the sum of the first, and we'll say n numbers is, comma, sum underscore. And that concludes this exercise, guys. We've effectively developed a Python program that has the ability to compute the sum of n numbers, in which n is chosen by the user. This is actually a very good program now that I think of it, because you see, there are more than one ways to actually go about solving this problem. Okay, and those ways include loops and other techniques. The thing is, this simple program has the ability to actually compute sum of n numbers without using advanced Python concepts, okay, such as loops and so on. Because using loops as well, it would be easy. But in the event of us being tested to actually develop a Python program to calculate the sum of n numbers without using loops, this is how we would go about doing it. It uses a simple maths formula. So if I'm not mistaken, this here formula is actually, it's an actual maths formula that will calculate the sum of n natural numbers. Okay, and that's what we are making use of. So let's go ahead and run this program to ensure completion of our exercise. I'll do a maybe 10 or 13. And there we have it. The sum of the first 13 numbers is 91. Let's run it again. Maybe this time I'll pass in a 3. So 3, 2, and 1, that gives us 6. We should expect 6. Yeah, and there we see it. That's brilliant. The sum of the first 3 numbers is 6. That's all for this video, guys. I thank you so much for watching and staying till the end of the video. Do be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. And with that, I will see you in the next YouTube video, guys.